Hello everyone. Welcome to day 4 of our 30 days English listening challenge. Today's listening practice is about going to the supermarket. The story is divided into 3 sections. At the starting of each section, there will be a question that you need to answer after listening the section story. This will prove that you are listening correctly. So, listen carefully and select your answers. Before we start section 1, here is your first question. Question 1. What is the first thing I put into my shopping basket? Listen carefully and find the answer. Today is Saturday morning. I wake up at 8 o'clock. After breakfast, I open my refrigerator. I want to make lunch later, but I do not have enough food. There is only a little milk. I have 2 eggs. There are no vegetables. I also need fruit. So I decide to go to the supermarket. I take my shopping bag and make a small shopping list. On my list, I write milk, bread, eggs, apples, chicken, rice, tomatoes, potatoes, and orange juice. Then I leave my house. The supermarket is only 10 minutes away. The weather is nice today. The sun is shining, and the air is fresh. Many people are outside. Some people are walking. Some people are riding bicycles. Soon I arrive at the supermarket. The entrance is busy. People are coming in and going out. I take a shopping basket. The supermarket is very clean. Soft music is playing. Everything is organized. There are many different sections. I see the bakery, the fruit section, the dairy section, and the frozen food section. First, I walk to the dairy section. I need fresh milk for breakfast tomorrow. I choose 1 bottle of milk. I check the date on the bottle to make sure it is fresh. Then I put the milk into my shopping basket. I also look at the yogurt and cheese. They look delicious, but I already have cheese at home, so I do not buy any today. The correct answer is option B, milk. Great job. Now let's continue. Before we start section 2, here is your next question. Which fruit do I buy today? After leaving the dairy section, I walk to the fruit and vegetable section. Everything looks colorful. I see red apples, yellow bananas, green grapes, sweet oranges, fresh strawberries. The fruit smells wonderful. I already have bananas at home. Today I want fresh apples. I choose 6 red apples. They look fresh and sweet. Next, I buy tomatoes. Then I buy potatoes, carrots, onions, and a cucumber. I always like having vegetables at home because they are healthy. After that, I visit the bakery. The smell of fresh bread is amazing. I buy 1 loaf of bread. It is still warm. Next, I go to another aisle. I buy a box of eggs. I only have 2 eggs left at home. Then I buy a bag of rice. I also pick up a bottle of orange juice. As I walk through the supermarket, I notice many special offers. Chocolate is on sale. Cookies are on sale too. I want to buy some chocolate, but today I only want healthy food. So I smile and continue walking. My shopping basket is getting heavy now. I think I have almost everything I need. The correct answer is option B, apples. Excellent. Let's go to the final section. Before we start section 3, here is your final question. How do I pay for my shopping? Listen carefully and find the answer. Now I walk to the checkout counter. There are 4 people waiting in line. I stand behind them and wait patiently. While I am waiting, I look at the small shelves near the cashier. There are chocolates, chewing gum, and small drinks. Many people buy these things while waiting. Soon it is my turn. The cashier smiles and says, "Hello." I smile and say, "Hello." She scans all of my groceries one by one. Milk, bread, eggs, apples, tomatoes, potatoes, chicken, orange juice. The total price appears on the screen. I take out my bank card. I pay by card. A few seconds later, the payment is successful. The cashier gives me my receipt. She says, "Thank you. Have a nice day." I smile and answer, "Thank you. You too." Then I pack all of my groceries into my shopping bag. The bag is quite heavy. I walk home slowly. When I arrive home, I put the milk into the refrigerator. I wash the apples and vegetables. I put the bread in the kitchen. Everything is ready for the week. I feel happy because I finished my shopping. Now I can cook healthy meals for the next few days. Going to the supermarket is a simple activity, but it is an important part of everyday life. Did you find the answer? The correct answer is option B, by card. Congratulations! You have finished today's English listening practice. How many answers did you get correct? Write your score in the comments. If you missed the previous videos, you will find them in the playlist in our channel. Listen to them and improve your English. If this video is helpful for you, give a like. And if you want to continue the listening practice, subscribe the channel to get notification every time we come with another video. Thank you for listening. See you tomorrow for day. Goodbye everyone.